Today I'm going to show you how to define the correct join type between Microsoft Access tables. Understanding how your tables relate to each other is crucial for accurate queries and reports, so let's walk through this process step by step. First, start by opening your Microsoft Access app and load into your database. Wait for the software to fully load along with all your data before moving forward. This ensures that everything is ready and accessible for the changes you're about to make. Once the software has loaded, you'll need to open an initial database. After opening it, click on the Table Design tab located on the top part of your screen. This tab is your gateway to viewing and modifying the structural relationships between your tables. From the Table Design tab, look for the Relationship button. This is where you can define the correct join type between tables. Clicking on this button will take you to the Table Relationship screen, which displays all the tables that are linked between other databases. This visual representation helps you see how everything connects, making it easier to identify which relationships need adjustment. Now comes the important part. To define the correct join type, look at the connector line between your tables and click on it. A small window will appear. This is your Edit Relationship window, and it's where you'll make the necessary changes. Click on the Join Type option to define if the join type between tables is correct. From here, you have three options to choose from. The first is the join property that only includes rows where the joined fields from both tables are equal. This is the most common type and works well when you only want matching records. The second join type shows all records from one table and only matching records from the other, while the third option is the reverse of the second, displaying all records from the opposite table along with matching records from the first. Select the join type through the radio button to define it correctly based on your specific data needs. Each option serves a different purpose, so consider what information you need to extract from your database. Once you've selected the appropriate join type, click on OK to proceed and save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully defined the correct join type between your Microsoft Access tables, ensuring your database relationships work exactly as intended. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.